It's 1665. Robert Hooke stands in his dimly lit laboratory, excited to use his newly crafted microscope to unlock the secrets of the tiny world. Looking through the lens, Hooke gasps as he discovers tiny, box-like structures in his cork sample. He sees tiny compartments that remind him of the small rooms where monks live, cells. Hooke quickly sketches what he sees, coining the term cells and marking the dawn of a new chapter in science. Fast forward, and enter Antonie van Leeuwenhoek, a curious inventor drawn to the mysteries of nature. Using his advanced microscopes, he peers into pond water, ready to unveil hidden life forms. What he finds are not empty boxes, but living creatures, which he affectionately names animalcules. Can you imagine the shock and excitement? Leeuwenhoek realizes he's opened a door to a whole new universe. Hooke and Leeuwenhoek, in their own ways, are paving the way for microbiology and the secrets of life itself. These revelations unlock the fundamentals of life, reshaping our understanding of biology forever. From Hooke's cork to Leeuwenhoek's pond, their curiosity ignited a scientific revolution that continues to this day. The discoveries remind us that curiosity is the key to revealing the mysteries of our world. What will you discover today? Every tiny observation can lead to monumental revelations. Every explorer starts with a single question, each groundbreaking moment driven by insatiable curiosity. Science thrives on shared knowledge and passionate discussions that fuel discovery. Today, we build on their foundations, utilizing technology to explore even deeper worlds. Their legacies remind us, curiosity drives innovation, enabling us to unravel nature's secrets. Together, let's embrace the spirit of exploration and keep asking questions. What tiny wonders will you uncover? The journey of discovery never ends. Remember, the secrets of life are waiting to be discovered, just like Hooke and Leeuwenhoek did.